Good morning, friends. Today topic is rhynchocephalia. Rhynchocephalia. Actually, it is one of the order. Okay, it belongs to reptiles. Reptiles is a class, and Squamata. Squamata is a order, and Rhynchocephalia suborder. Suborder. Okay, here it's commonly called as a Datura lizards. Actually, the Rhynchocephalians is called as a Daturans. It look like as a same resemble as a lizards, as a Datura lizards. This belongs to the class of the reptiles, and the order is Squamata. Datura lizards are represented in the two species only. Presently, they are living in the only two species there, the Spinodon punctata and the Spinodon guntheri. Only in Rhynchocephalia, only two species is there. That is the Spinodon punctatus, and Spinodon guntheri. Only two species are there presently. Actually, these are the living fossil animals. These are the living fossil animals. What it means living fossil animals? The entire species, all are the declined or disappeared. Only one or two species presently living. That type of animals is called living fossils. They study. That type of animal is helps to study the remaining animals. That's why they call as a living fossil. So the Rhynchocephalians only two species is present. That is the Spinodon and punctata, Spinodon guntheri. These are the living fossil animals. Okay, history. Come to history. They are evolved in before dinosaurs. Actually, the Rhynchocephalians are evolved in the dinosaurs in the that is the Mesozoic era. This is the Mesozoic era. In the before the Mesozoic era, the dinosaurs are very developed and they maintain the successful life. After that, they are declined from the Cretaceous, because the Cretaceous period is the one of the golden era of the aves. Wherever the aves are evolved from the presently starting evolved from the Cretaceous era, here the Rhynchocephalians are of the successful reptiles from the Mesozoic era. They are come to Mesozoic era is complete. After the begin the Cretaceous era, the Rhynchocephalians are completely declined. మెల్లమెల్లగా క్రమక్రమంగా డిసప్పియర్ అవ్వడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, presently only two species are present, that is the Spinodon punctatus and Spinodon guntheri in the New Zealand. The country is the New Zealand and the Iceland surroundings. These are the complete history. Now important features of important features of Rhynchocephalia. What are the points are there? In generally called as a Daturans are the small body. The Daturans small body. Daturans is resemble to lizard. resemble lizard, and the small body containing approximately 60 centimeters in length. 60 centimeters in length. And the body is divisible into three parts. That is the head and the trunk and the tail. Head, trunk and tail. The body is divisible into three parts. That is trunk. And the small neck is present. The small neck is present. The small neck is the junction between the head and trunk. Okay, a small neck is present. Some reptiles they did not see the same, not clear distinction between the head and the trunk. Okay, and the trunk has here. This is the trunk are having two pentadactyl limbs. పెంటాడక్టల్ అంటే 5 చేతి వేళ్ళు ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక పంచాంగులిక చరమాంగాలు అనుకుంటాము. 2 pairs having 2 pentadactyl limbs are there. Okay, so this is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, pentadactyl limbs is there, and the limbs having the clawed toes. Limbs have clawed toes. Clawed toes. And they inhabit burrows. These are inhabit burrows. What means burrows? Actually, they live in the బోరీలలో నివసించడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది జనరల్గా. దట్స్ వెర్ నేను ఓకే. అండ్ క్యారెక్టర్స్ చూసుకున్నట్టయితే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ కమ్ టు 60 centimeters in length, and the body divisible with three parts: head and trunk and tail, and the pentadactyl limbs are there, and living in the burrows. They living in the burrows, and the skull are characterized by the skull is characterized by the presence of beak-like structure, and the skull is diapsid. Okay. Based on the temporal fossa, the classification of reptiles are the 4 types of Anapsida, Parapsida, Diapsida, Synapsida. There are the 4 types of classes are there in the reptiles according to their presence of temporal fossae. 1 pair of temporal fossae or 2 pair of temporal fossae are the exactly located in the temporal fossae. Based on the reptiles are 4 types classes there: Anapsida, Parapsida, Diapsida and Synapsida. Here Anapsida is also the complete absence of temporal fossae. Parapsida is 1 pair of and Diapsida 2 pair of temporal fossae. Synapsida also 2 pair of Synapsida, but the various location will be changes in the Diapsida and the Synapsida. That's why they call as a different names for Diapsida and Synapsida. Here diapsid skull is diapsid and the 2 pairs of temporal fossae. Okay, and they are the archdont. We are discussing the rabbit, the dentition of the mammals. They are discussing about the archdont. What means archdont? This is for example, this is the jawbone. The teeth will be grow in the tip of the crest of the jawbone. This is the teeth, and this is the jawbone. This type of is called as archdont teeth. Okay, teeth are archdont of the teeth, They are carnivorous. These are the carnivorous animals. Carnivorous animals. Okay, they only meat. They only eat meat only. Okay, and the diet are rich in the diet rich in beetles and the spiders and millipedes and they actually they died in the that's why they completely carnivorous. Okay, I now come to their activate. They are these animals. This that means Spinodon punctatus and Spinodon gunteri. These two animals are active in temperature at colded moon. అంటే శీతల ప్రదేశంలో ఇవి యాక్టివ్గా ఉండడం అనేది జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, అండ్ ద ప్రెసెన్స్ ఆఫ్ టు కంప్లీట్ టెంపోరల్ ఫోస్సే. ఓకే, యాక్చువల్లీ పారాక్సినా is the incomplete and the located with the beneath the highs or abdomen. Actually in the presence of two complete temporal fossa is there. Okay, and the vertebrate amphicoelous. వాట్ మీన్స్ vertebrate ఇక్కడ మనము స్పైనల్ కార్డ్ అనుకుంటాం కదా, స్పైనల్ కార్డ్ ఉన్నటువంటి vertebrates. So vertebrates amphicoelous B2. This is the this type of amphicoelous. Okay, the vertebrate amphicoelous. This is the concave and this is the concave. Only one amphicoelous, protocoelous. They look like amphicoelous. Vertebrates are present in the amphibians also same and the scales are granular and thin. Scales are granular and thin. Granular and presence of third eye is there. Presence of third eye. So third eye that is called as a parietal. That is also called as parietal and the Tatura exhibit temperature actually the sex determination is depends. Sex determination is depend on temperature. Okay, this the temperature will decide the sex determination and they are attain to sexual mating only after 15 years. Their maturity time of the Spinodon is the 15 years. After 15 years they will be go for maturity and the sex determination is depend there the temperature and the actively in the cool temperature. That's why they maintain the cool temperature that will be go for the sexual. And the male have incubation period of the in the female and male the different female and male Spinodons are different and incubation period is the 15 months and the male have no copulatory organs. So no copulatory organ and lifespan of the Tatura lizards is the 75 to 100 years and more. 75 to 100 years and more. This is the Rhynchocephalus. We have to come to here. First one, the brief explanation from the Rhynchocephala. It's commonly called as a taturans. Okay, it's commonly called as a taturans. It's resembled to lizards. It belongs to the class reptile of the order Squamata. Tatura lizards are represent in the two species, only that is the Spinodon punctatus and Spinodon gunteri. And the history, come to history here. There are the living fossil animals. Who are the animals are one of the time is evolved declined and only one or two species are presently. That type of animal is called as a living fossil. They are evolved in the Mesozoic era, but it is a decline from the in the beginning of the Cretaceous era. Okay, because the Cretaceous era is a golden age of the aves. That's why where before the aves the reptiles are there, the one of the time that are successfully after the some time they will be go for the disappear after the aves are evolved. Okay, now important features of the Rhynchocephalia. In general, tarantulas are small bodies, nearly 60 centimeters in the length, and the body is divisible into three parts: head and trunk and the tail. A small neck is present, and the trunk has a two pairs of pentadactyls. Two pairs of pentadactyl. Uh, sorry. Uh, Trunk has two pairs of pentadactyls limbs, and the limbs have the clawed toes. Actually, pentadactyl means the five, five fingers like that one. Have covered the clawed toes, and they inhabit burrows. And the skull are characterized by the skull is characterized by the presence of beak-like structure, and the skull is diapsid. In the complete presence of two temporal fossae is there, and the teeth are aquiline. The type of teeth is also present in the amphibians and fish like this one, because the teeth will be grow, or the teeth will be formation of the tip of the or the apex of the, this is the jawbone, and the tip of the jawbone or crest of the jawbone is called as the aquiline teeth, and the amphicoelus, okay, both concave and concave. The type of vertebrae is called as a amphicoelus, and their are carnivorous. They only eat meat. They rich in the millipedes and beetles and the spiders and eggs and worms. Okay, excellent. And they are active in the uh, where temperature is below. Where temperature is very below, they will be active, and the temperature also decide the um, sex determination. Okay, so sex determination is depend on their temperature, and the presence of two complete temporal fossa, and what means vertebrate amphicoelus, and the scales are granular because the body is visible granular and thin. Granular, and the scales are granular and thin, and there is no moist skin. Generally, we discuss about the amphibians. Here, the skin is always moisture, because the frog or any amphibians frequently jumping into the water, because there in the water the frog will be entering into the water. In the water has containing the oxygen in the state of dissolved state. That's why they helpful to the respirator. Here the skin is very dry. That's why the scales are granular and very thin. Okay, and the presence of a third eye, that is a parietal eye, and the tatura exhibit temperature depends on sex determination, and they attain sexual maturity is after 15 years. They will, if they, the adult spinodon will, they, the spinodon or the any rhynchocephalus called as a adult one, they will be after the 15 years they will be called as a adult one of the adult animal of the spinodon. Okay, and the incubation period is the 15 months. If the spinodon female and spinodon male, these two are different. Okay, they are bisexual, sorry, sexes are separate. Here the female spinodon releases ovum, and the male spinodon releases sperms. In the internal fertilization is occurs. They will be formed as a zygote. They form as a zygote, and the form zygote it will be go for incubation period is the 15 months. And the male have no copulatory organs. Actually, male have no copulatory organs, and the lifespan of the tatura lizards between the 75 to 100 years or more. 75 to 100 years more అంటే 70 సంవత్సరాల కంటే ఎక్కువగా అవి జీవిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. Okay, now come to last one is the that is the just I draw the diagrams in the lizard. So it is very important. If ask me 4 marks questions or 8 marks questions. This is the this is the spinodon punctatum. This is the spinodon punctatum. Okay, it looks like a resembles as a lizard. It looks like a lizard, and here the body is divisible into head, trunk, and tail. Okay, the head containing eyes, one pair of eyes and nostril, and the acrodon type of teeth. Acrodon type teeth, and this is the head base. This is the head up to here to here. The head containing two pairs of limbs here. This is the forelimbs and hind limbs. They are the forelimbs. First one is the forelimbs and the hind limbs, and the limbs containing pentadactyl limbs, and these are the claw digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the claw digits. Okay, and here the body containing the dorsal body is containing crest of the spines. Here spines is nothing but a nuclear structure. Here these are the spines, and that the body is completely skull is that is the granular and very thin, and there is a not moisture structure, not moisture, the very dry skin, and one pair of pulmonary lungs is there that will maintain the pulmonary respiratory system, and here tail this here, and here one pair of eyes is there, and nostril, and this is the teeth, and this is the neck. Here the clear construction, there is no clear construction between the head and trunk, and this is the tympanum, and this is the trunk, and this is the tail. The tail is small type of tail is there, and this is the claw digit. This is the morphology of the spinodon punctatum. Okay, Rincocephaly, it is a 4,000 semester, very important. I was in 4 marks or 8 marks, and thank you.